Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It is so great to be back. If you guys have missed, over on Instagram I have shared that I have been a little bit under the weather, which you can probably still hear in my voice. So yesterday, oh my goodness, last week it just kind of blindsided me. As I mentioned last week in last week's Plan With Me, on Sunday I had started to have like a really bad headache, and the next day it just progressed into like the worst, I don't know what symptoms. They tested me for like everything under the sun, from COVID to strep to flu to all the things, and everything came back negative. So I am just dealing with quite possibly one of the worst like upper respiratory infections that is trying to like end my life. However, I am still here and I have plans to make. So here we go. I'm planning out the week of April 19th through 25th in my MakseLife Planner. Yes, I am planning back in this planner. I never said I was not going to plan back in this planner. Also, I missed it. And I'm going to be using Fern stickers, and this kit is specifically made for the MakseLife. So here we go. So this current week that we are in, or ending, this is kind of how I treated it. Was like a memory keeping spread, and as you can see, I just kind of gave up as the weekend came along. I'm going to go ahead and try and fill in some things in here, but I don't know how much I'm going to get done. It was kind of really fun doing this, just kind of filling in the little things going on here and there, and then just journaling in the white space, and I really actually liked it a lot. There's my reflections and my actions page. And then the week before, I participated in the Allie Edwards Pieces of Me project. You could see what that's all about over on her Instagram as well. And this is just a really cool sort of self-portrait project. And I had a lot of fun, and I did a sort of rainbow spread with my mild liners, and I love the way that came out. So, all right. So I shared in a haul a while back that I purchased these Fern stickers. I love them because you can actually get the MakseLife option. So it has the Monday through Thursday on one sheet, which is awesome. And these are the other sheets that I got for the kit. I think that these are just well put together. Like, I'm super excited. I also grabbed my binder full of all of my like text and font things in case I need those. And I have some yoga stickers because I'm thinking what I'm going to hop back into for working out this coming week is not going to be any cardio or strength training, but yoga. And I hear that that does great things when you are not feeling so hot. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and write these numbers in because I guess our kits do not come with the little dates for the date covers, which is totally fine. All right, these do look a little bit thicker, but I was still thinking of putting these two strips right here because this always helped me line things up. I can't seem to get these off. Okay, there we go. Get these down over here. Oh, it is Earth Day this week. How awesome is that? I might have to buy more plants. I don't think my family would appreciate that. I actually did get another plant yesterday at the grocery store. Oh my God, I don't even know that anyone's actually noticed in my house, but it's kind of funny. It'll be interesting to see if they finally pick up that there's another plant that has joined the crew. So there's that side. Let's get the other one down. So today is honestly the best that I have felt. So I just still have some issues with my voice. In my head, my voice sounds like atrocious. Like I smoke a pack a day, you know, like it's rough. It's really rough and very deep. And I'm trying to think of what actress I sound like right now, but it is not cute in my head. It is so not cute. But anyway, I know that this will pass at some point. I don't know when. It's taking its sweet time leaving my body, and I'm not happy about that, but it is what it is. That fit perfectly awesome. Thank you. Oh my gosh. I was kind of worried. I was like, I've never tried a kit that was specifically made in this way, and now I'm going to be ordering Fern stickers like all the time. Got that put down. This header up here I'm going to leave for the weather. So I think what I'll do is put the weekend sticker down. Oh my God, I did not forget. That's amazing. Right about here. Oh, but I did almost destroy it. Oh my God, that was scary. Okay. So along the bottom, I am going to put the two washi strips that are provided on this sheet. There are a lot of event labels on here. That is amazing. What are these? Is that a full box? Oh, that is a full box. Okay. I thought that that was headers, maybe sideways, but then I was like, why are there only 4 of them? This is how you know that I am like extremely new to this shop. Now, this is not going to cover the entire bottom, which is totally fine, but I see that there are some meal stickers included as well, so that's where those are going to go. Kind of right above that, since I don't really have another plan for that area. I'm so mixed up as to what page is what, but we will get it. So what we have going on this week is a whole lot of nothing, to be quite honest. I'm probably going to mark down some of my work meetings now that I'm kind of getting into a better flow. It also allows me to just know what's going on for the week in case appointments or anything like that pop up. Let's put down these meal stickers right about here for the whole week, and that will fill up the space on the bottom. I made sure to pull up my work meetings, and I just want to see which event labels I want to use for that, and I think I'm going to use these right here along with some meeting stickers from Planner Kate, and that will kind of help me get a better idea of what is going on for the week. Although the last few weeks it has started off with almost no meetings and then immediately moved into like 12 meetings. And I'm just going to put them on the stickers first in an attempt to make myself look organized. All right, so tomorrow I have a meeting at 12, and that looks like right about at the middle of the day. And then on Wednesday I actually have 2 meetings, one at 11 and one at 3. And then Thursday I have one at 1:30. All right, there we go. Not so bad. All right, next up I want to put my videos that are going up this week, which are kind of going up out of order due to the fact that I only uploaded once last week, not fully planning on getting sick, obviously. So that means on Monday it will actually be my review video for the Bloom Daily Planners, and then this Plan With Me video will go up on Wednesday, and then Friday will be a different video. For those videos, I think I'm just going to use these event labels right here. That went down super crooked. I was doing so good. And these stickers are repositionable, and so far with the MakseLife paper, they are a great combination. I can tell you that much. So Friday is still up in the air. I almost want to do a daily plan with me and a day in the life vlog. So there may actually be 4 videos this week. Let's just keep our fingers crossed that no health issues happen, because that would just royally suck. So I think the plan right now will be a day in the life for Friday, and then we will do a daily plan with me going up on Saturday. And I just like truly dislike when I don't get up videos the way that I want to. Now, I know that I've talked about before that I don't batch content, and I still have absolutely 0 regrets about not batching content. I really do. It's not my style. It just doesn't work for me. There are times like I wish I had at least had 1 video in my pocket, which I would have had, but I thought I had additional time to film, and I didn't because I went down like so fast with being sick. So it is what it is. I still cannot get on the batching content train. I do a week out in advance, and that's it, and that's what works for me. I don't depend on YouTube as like my main source of income, so that's another thing, which is why batching content is not a priority for me. I could talk about that all day, but oh my god. I was looking like right at the number or the header sheet and said that there were no numbers, and they were right there the whole time. I give up. I quit. Oh my god. You guys are probably like, dear God, does she not see these numbers? I mean, seriously, look, they're so faint. I'm gonna come up with every excuse in the book, just so you know. I give up. Ugh. Anyway, I can't. I guess if you can't laugh at yourself, you know, oh my god, so crazy. Okay, so let's try to redeem ourselves slightly. Tuesday and Thursday will be my editing nights. Oh my God, you guys. If you guys give me shit for that for the rest of my life, I'm totally okay with it. I am totally okay with it. And then we're also gonna do some editing on Friday evening, probably like right after work, so that I can get the daily plan with me done. And we will need another sticker for Sunday for filming and editing. Hopefully I can get back into the swing of things. They were right there. They were right there. And I wrote on them with the stickers. Okay. I can't. Oh my God, that's just, okay. All right, so we're moving on, I promise. So we're gonna use the little computer stickers. I love these from Planner Gate. And we're gonna use these for the days that we are editing. All right, and for filming, I also love these from Planner Kate. She's got these cute little camera ones, and we're gonna get that done. I think my day in the life will probably happen, like I'm gonna film that probably on Wednesday, and that's what's gonna go up on Friday. All right, my goodness, I don't know if I can, I promise it's gonna get better. It is. All right, edit, more editing. This damn coil is so massive. I could flip the book, but at this point, why would I do anything that makes any sort of sense? And we're gonna do film and edit on this one because of course on Sunday, I need to do both. Now that we've got all of this shenanigans down, let's not forget our awesome movie night on Friday night. Which, by the way, we watched The Falcon and the Winter Soldier. I had to watch last week and this current week last night, and I was just like, do you guys watch it? That's what I need to know. I'm not going to talk about it. I don't want to spoil it for anyone that might be behind or just starting to watch it, but it was good. It was really good. I have to admit, when I was first watching it, I was like, I'm kind of tired of these spin-offs. Like, what are they trying to do? Blah blah blah. But as I got more into this one, it just got better. It just got better. And then if you're watching like all of the like TikToks, because TikTok is a thing now when you watch shows and it's like reaction TikToks, it's a whole thing. It's a whole thing. I bet the people on TikTok know where their number stickers are. Oh my God. Why? That's gonna bother me till the end of time. Till the end of time. All right, speaking of time, let's do some planner time on Saturday night. I definitely need some of that. I need to figure out my planner situation as far as like my daily planner goes for after my planner ends. I knew there was a planner sticker over here. It's on the sheet where the numbers are. But there's so many options available on all these planner launches. These people are killing me. But the options that are out there are looking great. So that's what's awesome. Anytime that we have some great planner options is good. All right. We definitely need, oh, there was a movie night sticker on here. I feel the need to use that one because it goes with this kit. So let's put the Planner Kate one back. And we'll use the movie night sticker here because suddenly I want to pay attention to what's on the sheet. My goodness. Payday this week. Oh, there is actually a payday on Monday. Hallelujah for that. Let's use something. Are there any patterned event labels? There are. There's a couple on this sheet. And I want to use the full box, but there's really only like one. It would be weird in that one spot. Again, I could always journal. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'm going to use this laundry time sticker on Wednesday. And I'm probably going to do that during lunch. That is the good part about working from home. I can do my laundry anytime. Instead of waiting until the evening, which has been fantastic, by the way, because everything's ready to go and get folded in the evening as opposed to starting it in the evening. When I was working in the office setting outside of my house, I would start it in the morning. Sometimes not always a great idea because we live in a very humid environment and wet things staying in the washer all day, not always great. So this has definitely been a lot better. And I just realized that I said that that meeting was on Thursday and I put it on Friday. I am on a roll, my friends. I am on a roll. Oh my God. All right. Now I think we're all set. Now I'm going through like all of my meetings and making sure that I actually put them in the right spot. All right. So on Saturday, we are going to do some cleaning and some grocery things. And let's see what labels we want to use for that. Kind of like these open-ended ones right here, like this yellow one. I love this combination of colors. There is peach in here, but I love that it has like the lighter teal and the yellow in here. Oh, it's very close to my brand colors, so I love it. Cleaning time on Saturday, and then grocery time probably Saturday afternoon, maybe Sunday. Let's do Saturday afternoon. Let's hope we can get it done Saturday afternoon. That would be great. Not so crowded during that time. And then of course we cannot forget about trash day on Friday. I think that is just about everything. And there is still a whole lot of stickers left to this kit. You get quite a bit. Oh my God, there's a lot. So that's awesome. And don't forget, you get number stickers. Oh my God. All right. So let's move on to the weather now that I'm done punishing myself relentlessly for missing something that was right on the sticker sheet. And it looks like for the most part, it is going to be a gorgeous week. I am just going to put down Monday through Thursday though, just to be on the safe side. All right, so I've got my weather put down. And then the other thing that I did want to remember to get down was the yoga stickers that I grabbed earlier at the beginning of this plan with me. And I think I'm just going to use the teeny tiniest ones. And the plan for now will be to do the yoga on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and then just see how I feel. If I can do more than that, I will. One of the hardest things about being sick this week is that I was truly like on a roll with my workout and like closing my rings every single day. I was feeling great. I felt like I was doing everything that I was supposed to be doing. And then I got sick and it just like knocked the winds out of my sails, and I'm not gonna lie, a little bit down in the dumps about it because I was just doing so great, and oh, it's very, very hard. All right, so let's move on to the sidebar over here. I need to get all of these stickers out of the back of my planner. And luckily this kit does come with a this week header. So we're gonna use that right here. And I'm also going to use the checklists that come on this sheet. The one with the numbers, you know, and just grab a couple of those, avoiding the peach ever so slightly. And then I want to use the, actually I'm not going to cover the habits up at all. I was originally going to cover up the habits because I usually focus on those more in my daily, but I'm just going to leave them as is and actually try to use them this week, like keep my planner on my desk, the whole thing, and actually try to use it. So habits are going to be my AM routine and my PM routine, closing my rings, spend some time reading every single day, focus on my PM skincare, even though that could be part of my PM routine. My skincare has been a big focus. Also focus on hydration and sleep. All of these things which could definitely help me feel a heck of a lot better each day. All right, so that is it for this week. I hope that you guys enjoyed this plan with me. It was definitely fun getting back into the swing of things. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you are already subscribed, make sure you click that notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.